everyone, I'm interior designer Kathy Hobbs, owner of Kathy Hobbs Design Recipes, an interior design and home staging company based in New York City. When it comes to remodeling a kitchen, replacing kitchen cabinets and flooring tops the list. Today I'm in a kitchen where the affordable option was to add floor-to-ceiling cabinets as an update. But let me point your attention to this inexpensive vinyl flooring. The homeowners would love to replace it, but instead decided to install their cabinets first, which may be a mistake. One reason to install new flooring before cabinets is to create a level surface for your cabinets to sit on. But if you do decide to install your cabinets first, fear not. A new flooring can still be installed. It just becomes a little trickier because the new flooring will essentially have to not only be even, but will need to be installed so that it is visually level with your cabinetry. I hope you found my tips for whether or not to install cabinets or flooring first when remodeling a kitchen to be helpful. I'm interior designer Kathy Hobbs, owner of Kathy Hobbs Design Recipes, an interior design and home staging company based in New York City.